Are you looking for a sign? This is for you. Bakit ka ba niya iniwan? Bakit ka ba niya iniwan? Bakit ka ba niya iniwan? Okay. All of your cards says here that your relationship in the past is so immature. Okay? Sobrang immature ng relationship nyo before. And these cards, the 6 cards telling you na walang growing on that past relationship. Hindi siya nag-grow. Also, you have here this card meaning walang new beginning, something like that. Walang new blessing, new approaches, no? Also with the King of Swords in reverse. This is your energy and also your person's energy together with King of Wands. Parehas kayong nagiging toxic on the relationship, no? Walang nangyayaring maganda, hindi nagkakaintindihan, walang mga plano in the future, something like that. So the universe is save you from the toxic relationship and also immature relationship, no? And also kailangan mo nang mag-move forward. This reading telling you that your feelings right now is valid. Okay? Pero yung nangyari sa'yo ngayon is a lesson for you to be able to be a better person or for you to grow as a better person. No? So that's it.